Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode. Today we're working on this 2017 Audi A4 B9. And I got my little brother here. He's actually the owner of this car. If you want to take it away, what are we working on today?
So today we're going to be painting the impact bar black to make it more flush with the honeycomb grille, as well as modifying the side markers so that they're smoked and not as discreet as they currently are.
So those markers right there. And we've had tons of comments saying that this bar needs to be painted, so we're finally going to do it. We totally agree, it needs to be painted, it really stands out. But now after we paint it, it's going to really blend in with that grille. And with that, that's going to require removing the whole bumper, all the stuff. That's going to take about an hour to remove it to then paint it. And we'll show you what kind of product we're going to be using. And then we'll let it dry and put it all back together. And that should be it.
Let's do it.
All right. Alright, so we got the rebar off. Here it is. We got all prepped up, cleaned up, ready to paint it. And Ruslan's got the paint here.
Yeah, got some plastic dip and let's do it.
Plastic dip. Nice. Alright, let's do this. here's what it looks like. Look at that. Nice and clean. Beautiful. Got the side markers blacked out. No more orange. All right. So what do you think, Ruslan? You like it?
I dig it. It looks
Yeah?
good. Just gotta get those new rims, and I think we're just about complete with this car.
Cool. So when do the rims arrive?
Should be in about a week or so.
Week or so?
Yeah, stay tuned for that.
Cool. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a comment, give us a like. How does it drive with the new rebar?
Very, very good. Big difference.
Big
Probably
difference.
like another 10 horsepower easy.
Nice.
Yeah.
Right. Cool. I think I might need to do that to my car too someday. I got the same thing. Rebar is silver. Let's see right there.